So here's the situation. This thing is destroyed. I got to put a new one on. First things first, we'll just get the phone out of this little case without cutting our fingers, I hope. Let me see if I can pull this side off. There we go. Yeah. Just like that. Okay, we've freed it from the case. So now here's our phone. First thing we got to do is get this old plastic off of here. And it comes off pretty easy. All I did was stick my thumb under there and just pull it. But it's going to crack. So I'm going really slow. See that? Because it's already smushed up really bad. So I'm pulling it really slow off. Because I want to get the whole thing off. There we go. Oh, it just fell back on. There we go. Now I'm going to go really slow. I want to get all this broken off. All right, so now you can see what happened on that. See how it's all broke? All right, now we got to put a new one on, right? So let's set that right there. We're going to use the SMARTDEVIL Quick Installation Screen Protector. So we got to get this thing open. And this is supposed to be the quickest and fastest way to do it. All right, so it comes with these things. You got the 1, the 2, and the 3. We're just going to need one packet, so we've got to open it up. And I've already ripped something there. Let's get her out. Okay, so we've got that, and then we got this. So this is number 1. We've got to wipe it with that, right? So let me just bring her here. So the first thing we're going to do is open this up, and we're going to get the wipe out. Like that. And now we've got to get this clean. You might want to wash your fingers before you do this. But we're just going to go all over it like that. Make sure it's nice and clean because we just pulled that other thing off of it, right? I think that's pretty good. Set her down. Now we got to get our cloth. Oh, here it is. We're going to take our cloth and we're going to rub her down. Get all that juice off of there. All right. There we go. All right, we're good. Now we're going to get our little thingamabob here. Pull her out, just like that. And it's pretty simple. I got all this extra stuff. You're just going to put your phone in there like this. You see this? Just snap it in, just like that. That's it, right? And you push down on it. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of all this junk. Now, to do this, all you need to do is hold it and pull. Bam. This is the thing that came off of it. You see that? That's it right there. All right. So now just let it do its thing. You can see it's closing on it. See that? Wait, let's wait for that bubble to disappear. That's step 1. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pop this off. And now I'm just going to go like this. See that? That just came off of there. Bam, done. And now I think we're good. It does have a little bit of a thing there, but I think we're good. I think we just put that on there. It only took us 4 minutes. And that's you want to save the cage because they give you a bunch of them in here. So you got like 3 or 4 of them. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.